Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Siri not working on your iPhone. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution you have, make sure Hi Siri is set up correctly. Before moving forward, take a moment to ensure you have turned on the Hi Siri features. Here's how to do that. So you have opened the setting, scroll up, then you click on Siri and search. Listen for Hi Siri, press home for Siri. Then two options is turn on your enable on your iPhone. Then second solution you have while Siri is not working, so you have enable Bluetooth if you have multiple Hi Siri devices. Do you have multiple devices nearby that you work with Hi Siri, like another iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, or HomePod? If yes, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. This requires because when you Hi Siri is around the several devices that they will all use Bluetooth to communicate with and one other and decide which device should respond to your request. Then you have enabled the Bluetooth on your iPhone, so then if the work proper for from Hi Siri on your iPhone, then you will enable from here. Then third solution, you have restarted your iPhone when Hi Siri is not working correctly. This can be due to temporary glitches. Easiest way to fix this is turning off your iPhone and then turn it back on after minutes. You can restart your iPhone even if it is broken or broken. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart if your problem will be fixed. Then another solution, you have disconnect AirPods or Beats earbuds while not using them. The following wireless earbuds or headphone for Apple support Hi Siri, AirPods second generation, AirPods third generation, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, Beats Power Beats 2020. So then you have Power Beats Pro, Solo Pro, Beats Beat Pro. Then this option is earbuds on your use Hi Siri from then your iPhone. Then another solution, you have turned off low power mode. Hi Siri works even if your iPhone is low power mode, but at times due to extremely low battery or breaks low power mode, any Mac assist other problems. To fix your settings, so you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on battery, turn on from low power mode on your iPhone, turn off. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. Then last solution, you have reset all settings on your iPhone. When you reset iPhone settings, personal data uh, like music, apps, videos, and photos remain untouched, about all settings you have ever changed. Open the settings, so you have scroll up, then you click on general, click on transfer or reset, then you click on reset all settings. iPhone given a password, then you enter a password. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.